What's wrong with you? Why are you not functioning? I think I need to call a technician. Hello? Is this Joey, the air conditioner technician? Yes, how can I help you? I think my aircon is malfunctioning. It doesn't give off cool air, even I already turned it on and waited for so long. Can you fix it? Okay, I'll check it out. Oh, here you are. Please come in. Okay, so let's see what's the problem. You know, in most cases, the reason behind aircons are not working is the overblown capacitor. Anyway, if that's the problem, we can actually replace it with a new one. Alright, it's done. The capacitor was indeed the problem. But don't you worry, it's already good to use. Oh, thank you, Joey. Please have some refreshment. Oh, thank you, Steve. Joey, can I ask something? Sure, what is it? Do you know where and when air conditioners started? And who made this amazing invention? Well, as far as I know, the concept of aircon came from the story of a certain Roman emperor named Elagabalus. Elagabalus imported a mountain of snow and placed it in his Roman villa in an attempt to stay cool during the summer. What? That's the craziest thing I've ever heard. Anyway, when was the first machine for aircon being created? Actually, the very first modern air conditioner was invented by a man named Willis Carrier in 1902. Wait. Carrier? That's the brand of my aircon. Meaning to say, that person is the very root of the Carrier Global Corporation, the manufacturer of aircons. Exactly. He made that invention because he simply wanted to reduce the humidity in the printing press where he worked. But after finding out its potential to be reproduced, the first residential unit was created in 1922 and released to the public at the 1925 gathering at Times Square, New York City. Before, the size of the aircons were huge. It was only in 1957 that the first rotary compressor was developed, hence making air conditioning units smaller and more efficient. Wow, that's cool. Wait. As what I have learned from the environmentalists, are aircons harmful to us? Is that true? At some point, yes. Aside from it, it is too costly and uses a lot of electricity. Air conditioning contributes indirectly to the release of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. It also gives off heat to the environment. With regards to its effect on health, spending a lot of time in an air-conditioned room can make your skin dry. Knowing that moisture on the skin is being decreased by the cool temperature. Another is that it can increase the risk of asthma attacks and respiratory tract infections, especially if the aircon is not clean. Nevertheless, majority of the people found aircons helpful for them because it prevents them from dehydration and heat strokes. Oh, I think I need to go. I still have another aircon to fix. Oh yes, here's the payment. Thank you for sharing your knowledge about the aircon. Oh, thank you. Bye.